Alright, so today my friends and I are playing some more Ultimate Chicken Horse. It's later on in the same session from the last video, so just expect more of the same fun from before. I hope you enjoy.
One.
What's a volcano?
Nah, game wants us to go to pier.
What about Metal Plant though, guys?
Let's go to pier.
We might unlock something like a cosmetic. That'll be cool.
Cosmetic for Bunny 1? I haven't gotten a cosmetic for Bunny. Ooh.
Hmm.
We gotta make it up there, you know?
Mm-hmm.
One way or another.
Okay.
Mine!
Well, I'm cooked.
Jungle Temple. Oh, for Phil. Never mind.
No way you gave us 3 points at the start.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm just trying to be.
Yeah, of course.
Don't worry about it.
Of course, thank you for
Incredible
that.
generosity.
Yeah. You get it. You understand.
Oh my fucking god.
No more Mr. Nice Guy.
Let's go.
Come on, come on, come on. No!
I can make this! No! Yeah, it was straight up impossible without the hard part.
Nice. That does nothing.
Yeah, you're welcome, guys.
Run.
Oh my god, I hate this.
No!
Come on.
No! Nah, that's dangerous! No! Fuck.
That's huge.
Huge.
Awesome placement.
Yeah.
Okay. Taken by the tide.
Okay.
How the hell you hang? Oh, it's the black hole.
Yeah.
It's kind of clutch, honestly.
Let's gamble! Oh, I made it!
All right, so I just gave you guys free points again.
Yep.
That was
Whoa.
Awesome.
That was really tight. Really tight jump. 3 points.
Great. That's so cool.
Oh.
Oh, I can't even put it there.
This is impossible.
It's easy, don't worry. I'm literally stuck. Like, what do we even do? Oh god.
Yeah, there's just...
I didn't mean to do that. Like an asshole.
I am a squirrel too easy. Wow. Hell yeah.
Fuck you.
Gotta love me some black holes.
Guys, I think we can make this easier now.
Yeah, let's make it easier. Why not? You're not gonna make it. Okay, okay.
Guys, if I do this, I might be able to blow the window away, blow the water away.
Yeah, blow it
dude.
away.
Yeah, blow it.
Hold on, it's too late.
Damn. Ooh. Punchy. What the flower?
Flower needed to die.
You monster.
Close call. Oh my god, this is the one time it was actually possible, and I just jumped into the water like an idiot.
Yes! Yes!
Oh my god.
Yes!
Huh?
Take that, bitch.
You gotta be kidding me. Hmm. Okay. Hmm.
Oh, I see the method though. I see the method. Oh god.
Almost. Oh shit. No, fuck. That was it. Hold on.
Oh my god. He got it.
Yep. Have fun.
Try hard.
What can I say? I'm fucking the best, so.
You're fucking the best.
I'm the fucking best, sorry.
What can I say? I'm fucking the worst.
I'm also the worst. I'm trying my best right now.
No, you're the best.
Oh shit, you had it.
I had it, yeah, but I blew it.
Come on.
I know what I'm gonna blow.
My brains.
I'm gonna blow my brains out after this, yeah.
Exactly.
Dude.
I had it and I blew it. Jesus.
You gotta stop blowing. Focus on what you're really doing.
Okay, I got it.
Let's see it.
Fucking win.
Dude, this is like what hell is like, probably. Just like Sisyphus' fucking thing. Okay, wait, the door
This
moved.
is, you guys are exactly like Sisyphus right now.
Except that we don't even get to go to the top like he did. Almost died there. Come on.
Yes,
Oh
you
my
did.
God.
Made it.
Now die.
Move,
yes,
squirrel!
Yes, yes.
I hate my life.
That means
Oh,
I
hey,
win no matter
mine
what.
soon.
That means I win no matter what.
What do you mean? That
I
trap
had
is
it, bro.
mine.
The trap is yours, but I get points for being first and winning, and so that means I will get over the finish line.
Fucking hell.
Fuck no!
Yes! We can clutch this! We can
I
clutch this!
thought I was closer. I thought I was closer.
Watch. Huge.
Okay. Thank you for putting that there.
Wait! How? I jumped!
There's no way. That's actually like
Oh my
amazing.
fucking god.
I
can't
win!
believe I- No!
I win!
No!
In your face!
I can't believe I threw it away like that!
In your face! Thank you for putting the fucking.
Fuck!
Oh, hell yeah.
This is your dance party.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go to a dance party. Why not?
I can't fucking believe that.
Oh Jesus! Alright, let's still make it out there.
What are you doing?
Oh, thank you for that, buddy. Helped me a lot. For chicken?
Mm-hmm.
Ew. Chicken legs?
For chicken horse?
Bruh. Ooh. Oh. Jesus.
Good.
No!
You 3
Oh my God.
points.
Let's
Yay.
go.
First. 3 points. Now let's make it impossible. No, no, no. Hell yeah.
Wait, that's not. I don't even think that's gonna reach, but
Oh shit, hold on.
No, I was too close. Fuck.
Fuck yeah.
what? You got pushed off.
Postmortem. Oh.
Yeah, I died and then I survived. Okay.
Gotta make this jump tight. And Jesus.
No, fuck.
Fuck yeah.
My plan wasn't possible.
Is it gonna be a quick match?
I think so.
Nah.
Damn it.
Fuck that.
Yeah, that's getting blocked, bro.
It's gonna be over
Yeah,
here. The most useless place ever. What are you doing? you put the block of hay right there.
Okay, awesome.
Come on, Ty. I know you want to. I know you want to. First. Fuck.
Why,
God damn it.
why does it look like? Why does it look like the jetpack is just holding up the hay?
Yeah, that's right. He's strong. Damn.
Oh, I have trauma from this one.
I fucking destroyed you on this one.
Yeah, that's where the trauma came from.
Mm-hmm.
Help me get the blocks. Oh, this thing runs the other direction. Yes. It was worth it.
Sacrifice myself for it.
Hell yeah, oh, chameleon, never mind.
Is that Asgore's shirt?
I couldn't see because of the thing on my screen.
It was all planned.
Are you fucking kidding me? With the easiest
Nah.
opportunity, and we all lost.
Tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. Just looking up. Oh, back shots. Hell yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Too easy, no points.
Hold B, bro.
Oh. Too easy. Oh shit. Let's put that there in the middle.
I don't even know what I'm doing, dude.
Put it somewhere, anywhere.
Let's go in there.
Yeah. I'm just gonna.
How did you like? Wait, what?
Thanks for the 3 points. Yes.
No. I fucked
Oh
it
my
up.
god, I can't believe this. I was watching you clip through the ship, and then I got
Yeah,
distracted.
me too.
Mhm.
It's going to the ship. Yeah. Huh?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
First.
I
You
think
gotta be
my
kidding me, that wasn't
performance.
first.
I think my
I was
perf.
first. What the fuck?
I'm the hoster.
Hello?
Alright, sorry.
Oh, I was gonna say, what the fuck? Why isn't it going away?
Wait, guys, what does this look like, guys? Oh my gosh.
Wow, I wonder what it looks like.
Oh my god.
Isn't that crazy?
Your sense of humor.
Yeah, that's really crazy. Lead me away. Yay.
Hold B, bro. Just hold B.
Now. Holding B right now. Hold B. Yeah, I'm holding B. Hold on. I think there's some CT coming on their way. Ooh. Oh, let's snipe some motherfuckers.
Have fun.
Hell yeah.
Oh, actually, that was kind of clutch.
Bye. First. No points.
No points. God damn it, Phil.
I need one more goal and I win.
Okay,
Yeah,
Phil,
yeah.
You and I team up against him.
Why?
Because Phil has no points, and if he gets some points, then he'll get underdog points and get, like, caught up to us. So, Phil, we're gonna do everything in our power to get him killed.
Okay, definitely
That
not.
was easier than I thought. That was so much easier than I thought.
No! My
I
own
died.
machinery killed me. Fuck.
Sorry, Phil. I'm not gonna kill myself now. We made a deal. I was gonna hold up my part of the deal, but you kind of just failed. So I wanted to be nice, but you just killed yourself. You made it easier for me.
Fuck.
Oh, okay. Are you trans species?
Yes.
Well, I guess good job. I don't know what to say to that.
Okay, this is fucked up. Hold on.
Oh no! Oh fuck!
Okay, made it. Question is, what's the timing of this thing? FK warning. Shit, I need.
You need to go.
I'm just waiting for exact timing.
Fuck. Well, you win. Oh.
Hell yeah. I am Squirtle.
Please just kill yourself. Thank you.
I wasn't trying to do that.
God damn it.
Bro's past the line. Damn.
Fuck off, man. Dog shit.